You all should be happy today because the thing which we are waiting for so long has just arrived. Yeah, I'm talking about the official notification. Welcome back, guys. How you all are doing? Most probably you are doing fine, and if not, you will be. Because in this video, we are going to talk about the official notification which you all were waiting since long. And in this video, I will be giving you some basic facts which you should keep in mind, which I have extracted from that big long 7-page notification. So actually VTU was not rolling the notification out since long, and now they have launched the notification and it's a complete 7-page PDF. All the details I have extracted and I will summary it in this video. So guys, first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for getting promoted, all even intermediate semester students. Guys, you are promoted. Like I have made earlier videos also, I have claimed that you all are promoted, but many of my subscribers were not yet ready to feel this thing that we are promoted. But yeah guys, now the official notification is arrived and your PK was right. So guys, now let's see what's this official notification about. So here in this official website, the notification is in front of us, and I have said to you also that you shouldn't believe anything until it appears on this page, if you remember. So now we will just have a look on this notification, which is a bit long. So here is this notification which is of 7 pages, guys. I have summarized everything in the note, just like a complete agenda of what's going to happen and what you should be doing. So guys, we should quickly move on to the summary, and I wish all of you to continue watching this video because there are many information in those, guys. Here is this extracted points. I am sorry for my handwriting. Points which I have extracted. The first one is promotion for even semester students. So all intermediate even semester students, which is 2nd, 4th and 6th semester students, have been promoted, and they are promoted for VTU, autonomous also. So guys, all my subscribers and friends, those were having the confusion, now you should get clarified that you are promoted and it's in official notification, guys. Second point, backlogs. So there was many confusion in the comment section, guys, that many of you are asking about backlogs. So for backlogs, they have cleared it that backlogs will be taken only in offline mode, guys. So I am very sorry for that, for all the persons who are having backlogs, that you need to come to college and give backlog examinations. They have rolled out schedules also. You should check your management and ask them for the schedule. Now the third point, internship. Actually guys, 2nd, 4th, 6th students have not to pay much concern on it, but they have made it mandatory for final semester students. Fourth point, which is also a very important, and many doubts were there on this carry forward system. Actually, let me explain you what is carry forward system. Before this system was implemented, those who were getting more than 4 subject backlogs were classified as year back, guys. But now if you are having 1 or 2 backlogs or even 3 backlogs, you can carry it to next semester, but you will have to give the examinations in the next semester or most probably the upcoming semester, guys, and you need to clear it. Every one of you who are going for carryover system this time, I wish all of you to clear your exams in the upcoming semester. The last one, which is the most important for all backlog giving students, is that the open choice. I have included it in last part of this extraction because I have very confusion on this topic, that 2015 scheme will get open choice or not, 2010 scheme will getting or not, 6th semester backlog is getting or not. There are many confusion, guys. So this open choice, let me clear you. After the notification, after my first video which I have rolled out, they have given interview to the Hindu newspaper. They have mentioned about the open choice first at that time. Any backlog examination form that you will be filling after that notification will be having open choice in it. But guys, any backlog examination which the form has been already filled, like if you are having backlog in first semester subjects, the forms has been already filled and you will not be getting open choice in that examination, guys. The 3rd semester backlogs, which many of the friends have got due to COVID and all, and offline examination, you are getting open choice in that, guys. So Be sure about that. As we have got through all of these points, there will still be many confusion left. So I would request all of you guys to comment down in the video and ask your confusion. I will reply to each and every comment positively, guys. And one more thing is that I work a lot on these videos. Like, it takes a lot of time to extract and read those 7 pages PDF. So for that only, I wish if you could subscribe the channel. It will really mean a lot, guys. PTU were a bit late for rolling out the notification, but now they have rolled it out, and yup, shout out to VTU that they have promoted the intermediate student. Still, some things need to be changed about the flood area parts and all. They have not considered that, but formally I am giving a shout out to VTU from my side. And so guys, taking all of your leave, kindly comment, share and like the video and subscribe the channel, as it means a lot to me. So thank you all.